You can see I'm pretty fond of this simple twisted double hook style and use it for various hardware. This is somewhat of a repost. I showed some of this during one live stream. I just wanted to post something simple to announce my next live stream. I should be going live about a day and a half after I post this. That would be Thursday morning at 8 o'clock my time, or Taiwan time. If you want to check out some merch to support the channel, some apparel and accessories, then go to gstongs.myspreadshop.com. I changed that URL and I'll put a link down below. Don't ask where are my keys. They're on the hook. Catch you guys next time.